Okay, so I created an app with Fable, property management app. I have some rental properties, and I actually have a property management company that manages those rental properties. But I was thinking that instead of giving all my money to the property management, what if I built property management app with AI, which could basically do the entire management for me? So one of the reasons I have property management is because I don't want to interact with the tenants. Tenants can be difficult to talk to. So I have property manager in between. So tenant talk to the property manager, and then property manager talk to me. And that way I can just completely isolate myself from the tenants. And I'm like, I could create an app which would do all that for me, right? So the tenants should be able to log into the app. As the property owner, I should be able to log into the app, and we should be able to communicate through the app. We should be able to do everything to that. For example, if there is any kind of issue with the property, they should be able to cut a ticket for me, and I should be able to look at the ticket, and we could go back and forth and, give the status of what's happening. Okay, I'm going to send someone, a contractor should be there and all this in such a way that I would be still completely isolated. So instead of having the actual property manager in between, there will be this property management app in between. So I asked Fable this is a pretty long prompt. I dictated it, and it went on to actually implement this app for me. We had, see a lot of places you would see that I hit the limit, and then I had to wait for the next 5-hour cycle and then continue with it. And then we had a whole bunch of back and forth. And finally, I ran out of the entire quota of Fable completely. So anyway, I just wanted to show you what I got at the end of the day. So this is what it built. The interface is pretty good. Not too bad, not too great, but not too bad either. So I have 3 different roles that I defined. One is for the admin, and one for the property owner, the property manager, and one for the tenant. So the property manager could create the properties in it, and then every property it could assign a tenant, and it could even invite the tenant to actually sign up, and then the tenant would also be able to log into the app, and they will be able to communicate with each other. So this is the property owner dashboard. So you could see that it shows how many properties are there, and how many tickets are open, and how many messages are unread, how many AI credits it has. Then on this tab, you have properties, and inside the property, you could see that what the tenant is. It also gives the code that you could send to the tenant, and the tenant could sign up. So anybody could sign up as the property owner because they will have to pay for the service, but only people who are authorized by the property owners can sign up as tenants. So there is one tenant who has joined this property. I could click here, and we could go back and forth with messages. As the tenant, they could write the message, and then as the property owner, I could respond back, and they will be able to see those messages. So this is the messaging tab as well. And then they could actually cut a ticket if they need to. And I could cut a ticket as well as a property owner. And inside the ticket, you could change the status of the ticket, and you could go back and forth as well. You could even attach the images and stuff. I just attached random images here. I even want to create the mechanism to have AI make calls to them if it is needed. So what we could do is basically the property owner could click on it and select the tenant, and then they could say, or whatever the message they want to deliver to the tenant via the phone call, they could type their message here, and an AI agent is going to make a call to them and then deliver that message and have some interaction with that also. And once the call is finished, I would be able to see the transcript and the recording of the call in here. So that's another use case of this app to isolate the tenants completely from me. Even if I have to talk to them, we talk to them through AI. The same way, I will have an inbound AI agent set up so that if they have to make a call, they could call that number, and an AI agent is going to pick up it. It would listen to their complaint or whatever it is. And then if it is a work order, then it could even create a ticket for me, which will show up in this app as well. So this is something that still needs to be added. And this is the tenant view of the app. They could see the property as well. And then they could see all those messages just like before. And they could see the tickets as well, just like the property owner. They could be market closed, market resolved. They have this option. And of course, there is settings that you could basically sign out. Of course, there is an admin view where admin should be able to see all the property managers and all the users, really, the tenant and the property manager and everybody, along with their roles. And for the property owner, they could either disable the account, or they change their plan that they are on, free plan or starter plan. They could change it, as well as they could disable the tenant's account as well if they need to. There are different plans in here. It's not integrated with the payment. system yet. I hit Fable's limit and I don't have any more quota remaining. I will have to probably use Opus or GPT 5.5 to continue development on this. So yeah, there you have it. This is the app that I built with the Fable. It's pretty nice. I'm not sure if I would call it outstanding. Just for the record, I used Fable Medium. I didn't use High. And even with Fable Medium, it hit the limits multiple times and I had to stop and discontinue, and then I had to come back and use it again every 5 hours. So Fable actually just eats up your limit fast. Yeah. So for AI videos like this, like, subscribe, and follow.